Hey everyone, Joe Hancock here with MarineMax Venice. Today we are aboard the 320 GTC from Saxdor. This is an amazing boat. It has a full cabin, fully enclosed. I'm going to walk you through it today. Let's start off with the engines. We have twin 300 Mercury Verado. These are great engines. Gives you the opportunity to have joystick piloting operation, which we will show you when we go into the cabin. In the rear part of the boat, we have some great seating area here. These seats do flip to face aft. So if you're sitting at the sandbar or anything, you have some awesome seating around to be able to hang out in the sun. On both sides of the boat, you have the terraces that completely fold down to give you more space on the boat when you're sitting at the beach. As we come into the main cabin, nice big sliding door that comes open. You can head on inside. To the left, we have a great dining area with tons of space to sit, have some snacks, have some drinks. These seats do also flip around so you can face there. Underneath your counter space here, you have your stove and sink with some storage underneath. Gas assisted, super easy to open and close. And come forward to the main cockpit. You have twin SIMRAD displays, so you can view both your diagnostics for your engines, your navigation, and with Saxdor you have lithium battery systems, and you can view how those are operating too through your SIMRADs. Twin throttles for both engines, bow thruster to the right of the throttle, and you have your joystick just in front of the steering wheel here. In the front, we have our forward berth. I'll go ahead and step down there so you can see what it looks like. You have space to sleep too here, and your head is just underneath the helm with plenty of space to move around, store your things, do a long weekend in the boat. As we head up to the bow of the boat, you can slide through the front, walk all the way around, and you have another great space to hang out in while you're running. This boat is also equipped with a windlass anchor, and it's seamless, so it goes right into the front of the boat, so you don't see the anchor even hanging off the front of the boat. This is an amazing boat. This is the 320 Saxdor GTC. I hope you guys come see it, sitting here at Venice, Florida.